GCSE Maths quickly recapping, completing the square in preparation for AS level maths and A2 level maths, okay, for A level maths starting this September. The question says, write the expression x squared plus 6x plus 2 in the form, in brackets, x plus c all squared plus d. So whenever we see this format, guys, we should be thinking completing the square, where c and d are constants, okay, i.e. numbers, okay, so constants just mean numbers. So this is a process that is best memorized. So I'm going to put a bracket, okay, so a pair of brackets. I'm going to put x, then I'm going to half the coefficient of x, so half the number in front of the x term, so half of plus 6 is plus 3. Close the brackets and then we square it. Then we always subtract this number squared regardless of what sign it is. So we're going to subtract 3 squared and then we're going to copy down that plus 2. Okay, I'm now going to obviously tidy it up a bit. So we're going to have x plus 3 in brackets all squared. We're going to have minus 9, okay, plus 2, which is going to simplify to x plus 3 all squared, so x add 3 in brackets all squared, minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7 or negative 7. And that, guys, is our completed square form. The process, okay, of doing that, and the reason why we do it is to identify the turning point, i.e. the minimum or maximum point of any quadratic. So in this case here, the turning point will be, I'm going to flip the sign for the x coordinates, so that'll be minus 3 or negative 3, and the y coordinate is just a number on the outside. So minus 3, minus 7, or negative 3, negative 7 as our answer. Okay, and as a rough sketch, if you're wondering what it looks like, so it's minus 3, minus, okay, so somewhere down here, let's say, it's going to look something, oh, not actually perfect, okay, but you get the idea, okay, crossing up plus 2 on the y-axis, and that will be our turning point there. Okay, again, it wasn't perfect, I apologize. Okay, but that is a rough sketch of the quadratic. Okay, so let's give it one more time. Okay, something like that. Okay, that's a little bit better, obviously not perfect. Crossing a positive 2 or plus 2, and the turning point of the quadratic is minus 3, minus 7. And then to work out the x-intercepts, you set the quadratic here equal to 0, and then solve it, okay, by rearranging the complete square form, okay, to work out your, but that is a rough sketch of what the quadratic would look like. X squared plus 6x plus 2 in complete square form being x plus 3 all squared minus 7. And that is how we complete the square.